Howdy YouTubers, this is Speed Demon coming to you from the 956. This is Scion IA, 2016 Scion IA. My daughter's college car. She's the inspiration for the YouTube channel. Real nice car for her first car, especially for a college car. We purchased it in 2018 for her graduating class of 2019. It's been a great car. It's a Mazda2 sedan labeled as a Toyota Scion IA. Now in 2017 to 2021, Toyota keeps selling them as a Toyota Yaris IA. Let me show you the inside. If you have a Mazda, you recognize the interior. Mazda infotainment center, Mazda control pad in the center. Great little car. Does about 42 miles on the highway per gallon. So perfect. Every time she comes home, I want to talk to you about the battery. Every time she comes home, I service the battery. These cars tend to use a lot of juice. Battery purchased at Walmart. These are Johnson Control, made by Johnson Control, which also makes interstate batteries. I was always after interstate batteries. $150, $160. This one, $95 at Walmart, and it's been working great. So when you service the battery, or you have any trouble codes, you want to clear them, disconnect the battery. You service the battery, or say you service the throttle body, which is right here, and the air mass airflow sensor here. You reconnect the battery, run it for 20 minutes without any electrical. After 20 minutes, you turn on the lights, you turn on the radio and the AC. Run it for another 20 minutes in the driveway without moving it. After that, you run it, you take it out for a run for 20 minutes, run it to work, run it on the highway like a speed demon, and then your idle should be back to normal. Your trouble codes should be gone. If your trouble codes keep coming back, your check engine light, then there's other problems other than just a bad battery. When you do service your battery, you fill it to the level. Don't overfill it, don't overflow it, it's bad. And you fill it with distilled water only. And the reason I make this video is because a lot of the 2016 IAs run great. There's not too many videos made about them because there's no problems, but when people come up with that shaking problem of the engine because they just replaced the battery and they don't know what's wrong, and they take it to 20 mechanics and spend thousands of dollars, it's all about the reset of the battery. The Nissan Rogue has a reset. When I clean the throttle body, it's a key fob gas pedal reset, and you can learn it on YouTube. You can find everything on YouTube. And Betty White over here, our 09 Toyota Venza, has a reset, and I follow it and it works well. So if you're having trouble with your Mazda / Scion / Yaris IA, you might want to try that. Disconnect your battery and do that relearn process. It might work. YouTube, I thank you for your YouTube viewers. I thank you for your likes, your subscriptions, and we see you soon. Speed on, Demon.